morning friends, and let me welcome you to my YouTube channel, that is English Grammar JK. সকলো ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীকে পুনৰবাৰ মোৰ ইংলিছ গ্ৰামাৰ JK চেনেললৈ আদৰণি জনাইছো আৰু লগতে ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীসকলক জনাব বিচাৰিছো যে আজি আমি এটা নতুন বিষয় আলোচনা কৰিবলৈ বিচাৰিছো ইংলিছ গ্ৰামাৰ টেন্সৰ সম্পৰ্কতে ফিউচাৰ টেন্সৰ সম্পৰ্কত আমি এটা নতুন কনসেপ্ট নিউ কনসেপ্ট that I am going to discuss with you, that is in future continuous tense. In the previous classes we talked about future indefinite tense, when future indefinite tense is used and how it is to be used, and these are the two questions that we discussed with in every tense. Okay, in today's class I am going to share some examples first. Okay, let me give some examples. For example, you see the sentence I shall be playing. I shall be playing tomorrow. R-O-W. Okay. Short sentence. I shall be playing tomorrow. In the same way, another sentence. They will be singing. They will be singing. S-I-N-G-I-N-G. Singing at this time next Sunday. Okay, they will be singing at this time next Sunday. Ohar deobare ei homot tamuke gan gai thikibo. Suppose one program is fixed and they will be singing a song there. She will be cooking meal. In the same way, she will be cooking, C-O-O-K-I-N-G, cooking meal, M-E-A-L, meal for us. Okay. Okay, friends, we have seen these sentences. These are three sentences. All these sentences we have seen. I shall be playing tomorrow. They will be singing at this time. She will be cooking meal for us. I shall be playing tomorrow. In all these sentences, we have seen that after the subject, I, they, she, these are the subjects. Okay, after the subject shall be or will be plus main verb লগত play plus ing, sing plus ing, cook plus ing. তাৰ মানে অৰ্থ হৈছে কি সাবজেক্টৰ পিছত shall be বা will be ব্যৱহাৰ হ'ব. Shall be or will be is used, and after the main verb, that is play, sing, cook, after the main verb ing is used. Okay, this is the structure. And if we see the structure, then let me write the structure. Okay, what we have seen in these three sentences, friends, that the structure is the same. What is the structure? Let me write on the board. Okay, structure is, we have seen subject plus shall or will plus be verb be plus main verb M-A-I-N, main verb plus ing plus other. Okay, we have seen that in any continuous tense, whatever the continuous tense may be it is present continuous, past continuous, future continuous. In any continuous tense, okay, this is part 1, suppose. Okay, we are talking about future continuous tense, and this is the topic of discussion for today, that future continuous tense. Okay, in this future continuous tense, we have seen that subject plus shall or will, any one, according to the conjugation, any one helping verb, shall or will of helping. These are the two helping verbs of future tense. Okay, we have already come to know in our earlier classes that shall or will are used. These are the two auxiliary verbs used in future tense. And so subject or pisot shall or will ব্যৱহাৰ আছে প্লাস যেহেতু continuous tense সদায় এটা be verb ব্যৱহাৰ হয় আৰু main verb লগত ing ব্যৱহাৰ হয় এই দুটা কথা মনত ৰাখিলে হ'ল যে in any continuous tense whatever it is present or past or future present continuous past continuous future continuous যি continuous tense নহওক continuous tense হলে সদায় দুটা কথা মনত ৰাখিব লাগে এটা be verb আৰু main verb লগত ing এই ফৰ্মটা সদায় মনত ৰাখিলে হ'ল গতিকে যেহেতু আমি এতিয়া ফিউচাৰ কন্টিনিউয়াস টেন্সৰ বিষয়ে আলোচনা কৰি আছো গতিকে what is the structure that is subject plus shall or will plus be plus main verb ing plus others. This is the structure. And friends, the examples that we have already seen in the three examples, all the sentences were written in this form, that is subject plus shall will plus be plus main verb plus ing plus others. Okay, this is the structure of future continuous tense. Okay, I think there is no problem, it is not difficult. Shall or will plus be plus main verb ing. Okay, this is the structure, and in this structure the future continuous tense is used. Friends, and এই বিষয়ে এতিয়া আমি আলোচনা কৰিবলৈ গৈ আছো যে future continuous tense to কেতিয়া ব্যৱহাৰ হয়. That is the first question that we have been discussing is that when. The first question is when. This is the question that I am going to discuss with you, when future continuous tense is used. Okay friends, and I ask you please see the video, to watch the video till the end, so that you can understand, you can get the points that I am going to share with you, and some very critical points or some minute points that I am going to share with you. So please watch the videos till the end and don't skip. Please watch the videos serially. This is part 1, part 2, after that part 3, part 4. In this way, part wise the videos are uploaded. So please watch the videos till the end and serially. Okay, along with that, let me request you, please subscribe the channel and like the videos. Okay, and now come to the question, the first question, that is when future continuous tense is used, and this is the question. Okay, the first point that I am going to share with you, this is a very common, and this is the common fact that continuous means, what we mean continuous means this is the continuous. This is continuous means the action is going on. The action is going on. If it is present continuous, then the action is going on at present time. If it is past continuous, then the action was going on in the past time. And if it is future continuous, then the action will be going on in the future time. Since we are concerning with future continuous, so the action will be going on in a future time, not present time or past time. Okay, this is the basic concept. What we have got, আমি কি পালো যে ভবিষ্যতে কোনো এটা কাম কৰি থাকিব বা চলি থকা হ'ব, যে কামটো the action will be going on in future time. ভবিষ্যতে কামটো কৰি থকা বা চলি থকা হলে future continuous tense ব্যৱহাৰ কৰা হয়. An action, let me write, an action going on মানে চলি থকা কামটো চলি থাকিব কেতিয়া, in future. Okay, this is the very basic concept. একেবাৰে সহজতে আমি বুজিবলৈ হলে এই কথাটো মনত ৰাখিলে হ'ল যে ভৱিষ্যতে কাম এটা কৰি থকা বা চলি থকা হ'ব. An action that is going on in future time. Any action going on in future time is to be written in future continuous tense. Okay, future continuous tense হ'বলৈ হ'লে কি হ'ব, sorry, যে কামটো ভৱিষ্যতে কৰি থাকিব বা চলি থাকিব, তেনেকুৱা অৰ্থত আমি future continuous tense ব্যৱহাৰ কৰোঁ. Any action that is going on in future time, ভৱিষ্যতে কামটো কৰি থাকিব বা চলি থাকিব বুজালে future continuous tense হ'ব. For example, he will be reading a novel, a book. He will be reading a book at this time tomorrow. Tomorrow. Okay. This is the example. For example, he will be reading a book at this time tomorrow. Kailoi e homoyot teo ekhon kitab pohi thakibo. This is the meaning. The kailoi e homoyotut kailoi orthat tomorrow is the future time. The in future time tomorrow the action will be going on. Kailoi iman homoyot teo ekhon kitab pohi thakibo. Okay, in this way, and the examples that we have already cited earlier, the three examples, we have seen that action referred to a future time and the action is going on. In future time, action will be going on. In this sense, future continuous tense is used. Friends, this is the very basic concept, very easy. Future continuous means future plus continuous. Future মানে ভবিষ্যৎ, কন্টিনিউয়াস মানে চলি থকা। দ্যাট ইজ ভেৰি ইজি। ভবিষ্যতে কামটো চলি থাকিব, ভবিষ্যতে কামটো কৰি থাকিব, ভবিষ্যতে কামটো চলি থাকিব। দিস ইজ দ্য ভেৰি কনসেপ্ট অফ ফিউচাৰ কন্টিনিউয়াস টেন্স। যে ফিউচাৰ কন্টিনিউয়াসটো কেতিয়া ব্যৱহাৰ হয়, যে ভবিষ্যতে কামটো কৰি থকা বা চলি থকা হলে ফিউচাৰ কন্টিনিউয়াস টেন্স ব্যৱহাৰ কৰা হয়। My sister will be dancing tomorrow evening in the function. In the same way, my sister will be dancing in the function. Example number 2. My sister will be, this is the structure, will be singing, SING plus ING, subject plus my sister is a subject, will be, you have a third person singular number, will be plus main verb ING, sing plus ING. My sister will be singing, suppose at the function. Okay, this evening, this EVENING. Okay, this evening, my sister will be singing at the function this evening. যে আজি গধূলি হবলগীয়া অনুষ্ঠানটোত ফাংচনটোত মোৰ ভন্টিয়ে এটা গান গাই থাকিব। এই ইমান সময়ত গানটা গাই থাকিব, আজি সন্ধিয়া তেওঁ গান গাই থাকিব। ওকে, এই কামটো কি হ'ব, ভৱিষ্যতে সন্ধিয়া সময়ত এতিয়ালৈকে হোৱা নাই, আজি সন্ধিয়া সময় হ'ব আৰু সেই সময়টোত মোৰ ভন্টিয়ে কামটো কৰি থাকিব, মানে গানটো গাই থাকিব। ওকে, দিস ইজ দ্য ভেৰি concept of future continuous tense. Okay friends, what we have learned, that we have learned so far that future continuous tense is used to mean an action that will be going on in future time, not present time, not past time. Present time চলি থাকিলে, বৰ্তমান চলি থাকিলে প্ৰেজেন্ট কন্টিনিউয়াস, অতীতত চলি আছিল বুজালে পাস্ট কন্টিনিউয়াস, ভৱিষ্যতে চলি থাকিব বুজালে ফিউচাৰ কন্টিনিউয়াস। Okay, in this way future continuous tense is used to mean an action that will be going on in future time. ভৱিষ্যতে কামটো কৰি থকা বা চলি থকা বুজালে ফিউচাৰ কন্টিনিউয়াস টেন্স ব্যৱহাৰ কৰা হয়। আৰু হাউ তাৰ ষ্ট্ৰাকচাৰটো কেনেকৈ লিখিম, আমি সদায় সাবজেক্টটো লিখিম, তাৰপিছত shall be, will be, anyone, ফাৰ্স্ট পাৰসন হলে I shall be, we shall be, otherwise will be. Okay, shall be or will be plus মেইন ভাৰ্বৰ লগত ing হ'ব, যেহেতু কন্টিনিউয়াস টেন্স গতিকে মেইন ভাৰ্বৰ লগত সদায় ing হ'ব। এই কথাকেইটা মনত ৰাখিব লাগে। And with this, let me finish the class for today. In the next class again, some new concepts, some new points I will be discussing with you. And till then, let me finish the class, and thank you for watching the video. And please watch the videos, and you please see the descriptions always, and you will get some other points that I have uploaded in my channel, that is English Grammar JK. Please subscribe the channel. Those who have not yet subscribed, please subscribe the channel, share among your friends, and please like the videos. Okay, thank you.